Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm going to show you the best way to color correct and color grade your videos to make them look much natural and better. At first, color correction means correcting the lighting, exposure and any other color in the footage that doesn't look natural, while color grading means stylizing the scheme of your footage to make it look much better and more cinematic, adding saturations, making it a little bit cooler, making it a little bit warmer, things like that. And color grading is done by a lot of filmmakers, editors. They do that a lot to make the film more cinematic and look so real and natural. When color grading is done, the footage pleases the eye. Disclaimer: I'm not a certified video editor. A lot of professionals and certified video editors will know better than me. So if you know some better, go check their channels to learn more. So let's get into it. Seriously, I have two displays right here. So I'm going to use the one for my Mac for the color correction, because for the other monitor the color is a little bit different. It doesn't look like the ones of the Mac, and the color for the Mac is much better, seriously. So better watch out, don't edit on non-popular monitors. Use your Mac or the computer you have to edit. Now we have Final Cut Pro already. Let's look for the exposed clip. Okay, we got some right here. This is the one we are going to color correct. As you can all see, seriously, this clip is so exposed and the color is worse. Now at first you are going to go up here, click, and then this will open. These are where all your footage components are, the color and things like that. So here we have color board, which is this one, as you can see. We have color wheels, which is this one, and we have color curves, which is this one. So I'm using the color board. You can also use the color wheels, but that's for professionals. Seriously, I don't use that much, but sometimes I do. And now let's get started by color correcting this. At first we are going to reduce the exposure, and this is where to do that. As you can see, the clip is also much better. And then this, reduce the contrast. As you can see, the clip is coming back to life. And also a bit of this. And what we want here is my background to be dark, because I'm the main subject right here. So I think this is okay for me. I don't know for you guys, but I think this is okay. And one more thing here, there's a color monitor. I don't just keep it here for decoration. There's a color monitor. I usually drag it like this to 80. For example, this shows you the exposure level. As you can see over here is at 100. So you gotta reduce it. That indicates it's bad, because this is the level I set it to 80. So you got to reduce this to 80. And I do this to all my clips. I check to see if there's any difference between the clips. So let's say you're having a lot of clips that you have to color correct. Do you have to follow them one by one to do this? No, you can just, let's say we are putting this back to where it is. As you can all see, this is back to how it is exposed, and this is color corrected already. So you have to click on this option Command C, and then click on this option Command V. As you can all see, this is much better. I copied all the correction from this clip and pasted it onto this clip, and now it looks much better. So you can do this to all your clips. Option Command V, paste the attributes, and you don't have to suffer a lot. I think this clip is okay. The lighting is good from all the sides. So now we're gonna take a little look at the before clip and after color correcting it. So let's take a look. First we are going to cancel the correction over here. So let's open this. Tech is one of the most winning category on YouTube. I would advise you to make tech videos. Tech reviews are so hard, but once you get it, you'll be a professional. I advise you to make tech videos rather than other categories, because I like tech, I review tech, I look into tech, I use tech. A lot of people talk about technology, so you have to cover a lot of videos on that, even if you don't. And this is much better for all your devices. if you are going to view it on a mobile phone, it will also look good. And we are done here. So you are going to decide if you are going to use the color board, the color wheels, the color curve, but I use the color board mostly, seriously. And I'll also advise you to be using this color monitor. This shows you how the color is. As you can see, this is more than 100, almost 117, and this is 80, which looks better. So you get to select it to where you like it. And now on to the next one, how to color grade. And now let's drag our clip that we have to color grade. It's right here. So let's put it here. So after putting it, this might take some seconds to render because this is an old computer. So now, as you can all see, this is not saturated. My face looks seriously terrible. Now the thing to do here is, at first, let's say this is your clip and you want to color grade this. The first thing to do is, let's make sure the lighting here is good and the exposure and everything. Go to the saturation. So this is exposure. We use this when doing the color correction. And now go here to the saturation. We are going to use this for the color grading. And the thing to do here is to, let's see, increase this. I think it's coming back to life, and increase this also. And this looks much natural, seriously. So after doing that, increase the exposure a little bit, reduce this. And then the color is kind of so warm. Go here to colors and drag this a little. Much better. So now the clip looks seriously better. Adjust this. Much better. So now we are going to take a look at before and after. And for this also, so let me adjust this back. So this is the before clip. Because I like tech. This is the after clip. Because I like tech. As you can all see, the after is better. And now let's say you're having a lot of clips. I told you earlier, you can just option command copy the clip you edited, the clip you color graded, and then command option V to the clip you didn't, to the clip you want to color correct. As you can all see, the attributes are pasted to the other clip. But now let's take a deep look at the before and after for this also, like we did for the other one. Tech reviews are so hard, but once you get it, you'll be a professional. I advise you to make tech videos rather than other categories. This is just like black and white. I like tech, now it's much better, looks more natural, the color is well saturated. As you can all see, look at my t-shirt before and after, my face before and after, the background before and after. Everything looks much better. So that's a simple way to color grade your videos, and I'm sure this works for beginners, but this works for me so good. So I'll advise you to start this, but if you want to learn more professional way, I'll advise you to check out some other YouTubers. You can learn from them. Now this is a simple way to color correct and color grade your videos. And one more thing, for example, if you color graded your clip and that looks so good, you want to save the attributes so that you can paste it onto your next video, the thing to do is go here, here, then save effect presets. You can rename it my color grade 1. So to see it, you can go here where all the effects are and then search for this is it, my color grade 1. As you can all see, this clip isn't edited. I haven't done any color grading here, so just drag the effect and paste it. Boom. you have a very good clip which is already color graded. You don't have to go and color grade it again. That will be a lot of work, seriously. So you can just drag the effect and paste it onto your clip, and that's all. But I don't do that, seriously. I like to color grade each time I make a new video, because if you are wearing a white t-shirt, the color grading and the color correction will be different when you are wearing a black t-shirt, because it will be so exposed if you are wearing a white t-shirt or something like that. So I like to color grade again and again and again. It's kind of hard because I spent 5 to 6 hours editing, but it's worth it. Really, it's worth it. And that's much of it. I'll be teaching you a full beginner's tutorial for the Final Cut Pro, how to edit your videos, make your videos look so cool with some effects. I'll teach you that, so subscribe so you won't miss. And after then, I'm also going to teach you how to do a professional edit. That's much difficult, seriously, so difficult. So if you want to be a professional video editor, seriously, I'm going to teach you that after doing the beginner's guide. So also subscribe so that whenever I drop the video, you'll get notified. And that's much of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.